Yeah, we're starting off with Waterfall because I do not want to reset the video.
Aran, Flex is in.
I'm doing neutral.
That's his name,
so...
right? Flex.
Yeah, okay, wait, hold on. I just suck. Sure, yeah.
Oh, okay. He's ready for the next flex. Shoo! Spunky.
I need to just flex. They keep flexing, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, do this puzzle. Not there. Reset.
Oh wait.
Make it go upward. No, upward. Stand on the lower part. Here. No. Not like that. No. Not from there.
No, I think this works too. Hold on. I saw like a. Yeah, wait, yeah, this works too. Yay.
Oh, never mind. My bad.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's Papyrus!
How did I get this number? It was easy. I just dialed every number subsequently until I got yours. Yeah.
So did you call Flowey or what?
I'm asking for a friend. She thought you were wearing a... Is she talking about... Is he talking about Undyne?
Maybe.
Yes, I was. And I am in fact wearing a bandana that I'm now gonna take off. Never mind, I don't have anything else. Okay, yeah, I already read all.
Ooh, so spooky.
Oh god.
Washa.
Oh wait, oh, wrong direction.
Oh,
Yo,
whoa.
no, dude. Oh god.
Don't go for the heels. Butts pie. Did you eat the butt pie?
No, I didn't.
Oh, good.
Alright, Queen, okay, I need to go to the green thing.
Whoa.
Ah, okay, there you go, I got it. Okay, I can swear I'm done. Okay. Okay, I'll kill. Next thing I see is just gonna kill him. I don't care. I have 7 HP. I have to. Okay, I'll eat this. Oh god, I suck. Okay. I wonder where I'm going. I sure hope I don't end up encountering a certain man in shining armor. I mean, woman.
I do. Woman. Undyne's a woman.
Can I just like help?
Papyrus.
Oh.
Where are you? Oh
god.
Run!
Okay, just keep running. Just keep running.
Don't go downwards. Always go upwards.
Okay, just keep running. You're good.
Oh, you're not good. Uh-oh. Oh my god.
Oh god. Come on.
I love Whiskey's shadows.
Okay, before I get a break, I think. Yeah.
Hide in the bushes now.
No. Oh god. Okay, this is. Oh god. Oh no. Wait, I forgot what happened here. Oh god. Wait.
He's so creepy.
What actually happened?
What's gonna happen now? Oh no.
Hey, that's not me.
You just murdered a child, Undyne. Great job.
Yay, Monster Kid. I think that's his name, right?
Yeah. Just leaves.
Get distracted. Alright, thank you so much, Monster Kid, or whatever your name is.
Imagine if he actually survives.
Oh, okay, yeah. I was like, wait, don't I talk to him?
He looks fine. He literally looks so fine.
Undyne just touched me! Hey, yo!
What the hell? Oh god.
Again. Dude, wait.
Oh god.
Oh my god. Man, you unlucky. We're standing just a little bit to the left. Yo, don't worry, I'm sure we'll see her again. You trip on nothing. Oh my god.
Is that purple cheese? Oh no, it's a crystal cheese. Save.
Is that another? Dude, how many cheeses are in this game?
A lot.
Oh my god, the mouse said squeak to the flower.
Oh my god.
Great.
Is that Sans?
Dude, this guy is everywhere. Think about getting into the hospital.
Ooh!
I mean, yes, for that price. Is there something
Really?
on it?
It's just red.
Damn, this is peak. This is so telescope.
The telescope is peaking. you just charged us for free. What are you? Oh.
Oh no, I don't really need anything.
Why is your eye purple?
Yeah, I know. I saw that my.
It just was. Oh, it hurt your eye. You looked into the telescope, I think.
Oh. Yeah, okay, I have 50.
25 gold for an ice cream? That's highway robbery. Oh.
I'll use that when I.
Let's just to test it out. Oh my god, is that duck? Is that the epic duck?
Okay, wait, hold on, I have to do something. Like, Waterfall is so like horrifying yet beautiful. I hate it. Oh, it's a maze. Okay.
Oh no. Oh.
Hello, this is Papyrus. Remember when I asked you about your clothes? Well, the friend wanted to know her opinion if you was very murdering.
God.
But I bet you knew that already. And because you knew that, I told her what you told me you were wearing. A bandana. Because I knew, of course. Okay, oh, yeah. Okay, yeah, okay. I can't really. I should have taken the box. Oh, wait, no, wait. Should I go back and take the box? Wait, will it make a difference?
Oh my god.
Yeah, I'll just spare her. It's a waste of time. Should I go back to the box and then change the paint? No,
yeah.
it's not worth it. I'm sure one.
Oh.
What the? Start dancing. Hello there, Sans. I'm going to take a bandage from here. Oh, my HP was maxed out. Let's go. Okay, you know, I'm gonna kill it. Actually, wait, never mind. I could just leave.
Kill it. Try to use the punch card. What? God.
Ow. Oh my god, dude, I'm going for a while because I'm getting way too much. I don't want to do it. It's not that it matters, it just feels wrong to have a bubble.
Oh yeah. Oh no, not this guy. It's gonna slow you down.
Oh, it's Onion guy. I've seen him. I remember him from Delta. Because I played that before. Ugh.
Disgusting.
Never see you again, bro.
This really is a waterfall. I did not even see the warning.
Yeah, that's not even a warning.
Smile. Smile. Hum.
Oh, what the?
Is that how you really hum?
Wow, go attack. That was so hard. I love this game. Oh.
What the? What is this thing?
I didn't even get a warning for that guy. Oh wait, I remember this.
Oh wait, no.
Where's the audio? I can't. Why can't I hear it? Wait, what?
I think you gotta like read it from the sign there. I think.
Oh. Wait, why can't I hear it? Like actually.
What?
Where's the audio? I actually can't hear it.
You didn't install a mod, right?
No, I don't think so. What the?
Put an umbrella in it if you can find one. Something funny will play.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh yeah. There. Put it in. Take one.
Wait. What even is that? Why is it raining in this?
Dun.
Oh,
Wait, I think this is the music for the piano.
Yeah, like I recognize that. Yeah, I feel like I've heard it. Yeah, but there's no audio. I swear, dude, I can't hear it.
Huh. We'll come back to it later, I guess.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's just broken.
Yeah.
I'll take another umbrella.
Please take one.
Like, please took two. I don't care.
Why did you get the same color that you did? I don't know what to say. Is that oil? Yeah, that's oil or water.
Oh, I got an umbrella. Yes. Oh God, hold on.
Why did your stream pause? Oh, anyway. Let's go.
Let's go. Bro, you're not even on the umbrella, bro. Come on. If you're gonna follow me, I must be good at it. Dude, you're not even in the umbrella. You're like 90% wet.
Man, and that is so cool. He beats up bad guys and never loses. If I was a human, I would wet the bed every night. What the hell?
Okay, now I'm horrified. How did you not realize I'm human?
So one time, we had a school project where we have to take care of a flower. The king, Mr. Dreamer, volunteered to donate his own flowers. And he ended up...
He could beat up all the... Yeah, but why would she do that though? Like,
exactly. Maybe we shouldn't beat up the teachers. He's too cool to beat up... Oh, more umbrellas. Put back.
Yes, please. Yeah,
yeah, this ledge is way too steep. Yo, you want to see Undyne, right? Climb on my shoulders. You don't have shoulders.
Alright,
never mind, you do.
Wow, Kobe Fox is such a talented animator. That animation was so not lazy. Bro, how do you keep falling on nothing?
He doesn't have his arms to balance his walking.
Oh, no way. This is where I made a run again.
Crap. Anyway.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no. I died on this part so many times.
Oh, God. There's a reason why there was a save file.
Uh-oh. Undyne, what do you want from us? We're just a human. Whoa.
Technically race. Species.
What? A monster?
Oh,
no, it's a fish, I know. It's a fish. Undyne is a fish. With the bow. Dodge the spear. No. Run! Nice.
No! Oh my god.
Oh my god, okay.
Corner is like the best.
Go. Oh
god, did it. No.
Time to slip.
Oh, okay. Oh, did it. No.
Uh-oh.
Where am I supposed to go?
Just go anywhere if you can.
Okay, just keep moving. Okay, don't stop moving.
Peak gameplay.
No. Okay, she doesn't even... No. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Okay,
No.
okay, you did it.
Wow.
Oh, God. No.
Just run away from it. Run away as far as possible. That's not the place where he's gonna go. None of the spears are speeding up.
Randomize every time. Like I definitely don't know where I'm going.
You get hit, I probably think it like slows the speed. It lowers the speed. Oh no. Oh my god.
Oh,
I'm dying. Just stop chasing us.
please. I'm just a child. Literally.
Why are you trying to murder a child?
Oh god, this is literally okay.
We're straight up doing
Wait, where do I go?
child
Like
abuse.
actually.
Try to go the other way.
Oh god, I'm at
One more hit and you're dead. I guarantee that. No, you're supposed to go up. Darn it. No!
Don't gamble.
No, darn it, I got tails. Never
Okay,
mind.
down. Okay, down, right. Okay. Down. Okay.
Yes, okay. You're near the end, I think. I don't really remember.
Oh, okay, wait, no. Okay,
Oh no, it's the dead end. This will break. This will break. I know it. I think you can go back now.
I can't
Gone.
go on my menu. We have to go back?
I think so. Is that how?
Yeah, okay. Oh. Wait, is this where I fight her? Oh wait, no, this is when Monster Kid comes in and saves my life. Again.
Yeah.
Yeah, I took off the bandana.
Never mind. Bye.
Welcome to the... How was the fall again?
How was the fall? It sounds like it came from over here. Why does this sound familiar?
Rolling down.
I dropped a coin on the floor. Oh no.
Get up. Who the hell is this?
Jack. Huh? That's a nice name. My name is... Come on, man. Why did you have to wake up when the dreams were starting to get good? Water. That's my answer. Water.
I haven't that it was just clover.
Isn't the empty gum from Undertale yellow here?
The true pacifist clover, like after?
Yeah.
It's like...
Run away from the guy.
Bro, he can't run away once his soul is green. He needs to be red. See? He's green.
You need to be red.
You need to wait until you...
Okay, you need... I cannot hear it, okay? Sorry, I cannot hear it because of the voices. I'm sorry.
You can do this, stay determined.
Yeah, if it turn red,
You're recording right now, right?
Yeah, I'm recording.
just try to run away when it's red.
Yeah. Try to make it as far as possible. What? Why does your stream like keep freezing sometimes?
Why the
Anyway.
shaking?
Nah, enough warming up.
Oh, God. Dude!
Okay, run.
Now run away, please.
I'm out of here.
Offensive, huh?
No,
Whoa!
I'm literally a fish. That's why it smells like sushi.
Away from her. Wait, hold on.
Come on, you can do this. If Papyrus calls you, it's better.
Yeah, see, that's why I spared Papyrus.
Oh god. Killing you is not an act of my blood. Nice. Come on. Please. Run. No, go left. I mean right. You're near Hotland.
Oh god, I hate this.
Gotta stop cracking. His attack is 50 and defense is 20. God. How is that too bad?
I am.
Yeah, I'm scared. Whoa.
Oh no. After this turn, I'll
whole board.
Okay, yeah, no, okay. Okay.
Okay. I think he. Come on. Yes. Okay. Haha.
Oh, wait, she's like getting tired, I can tell.
Her face. Die already, you little brat. What the? Oh, what? Oh no. Oh, yes. Run! Go to the right. No!
No,
Oh,
yes!
Paris.
What? Yeah, cool.
Go.
No!
No!
Right there! No!
Oh wait, no!
my god!
You're not red. You're not green. You're not green.
Oh wait, yes! Oh, yes!
Sans, help me!
Dude!
No, go. Keep running away.
Oh, this is when she gets tired, right?
Yeah. She's normally a fish, and she's like used to like armor so hot, but I can't give up. I'll give her a glass of water. Give her a glass of water.
On this fight, but I think my reaction time is just pretty good.
Oh yeah, anyway, give her a glass of water.
I'm pretty sure Bundan was like really struggling on this, but this was hard, but not. I could give her this.
Just give her this.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm just gonna give her one. Yes.
I'm gonna win a tournament.
Nice.
There you go.
Oh, it's not even hitting her. I just. Yippee!
Did you kill Undyne?
No, yeah, I know I beat her. I didn't kill her. Yay! Picks me up and then throws me in the lava. Wait, she just straight up